As our relentless quest for new and untraditional fields continues, we are pushing the limits of our current materials. These extreme conditions are extremely challenging, specifically for the completion tool industry, where installations are expected to survive the life of the well with high reliability. From the ultra-deepwater reservoirs where pressures and temperatures can exceed 20,000 psi and 350 degrees Fahrenheit, to the extreme cold conditions in North Sea and beyond, these complexities offer the most important material innovation opportunities in the completion industry. Here in Halliburton Completion Tools, we are facing these challenges head-on. Material science is a key foundation element of our strategy. We are convinced that breakthrough in materials is not just a necessity, but it is probably the only avenue through which extractions on these reservoirs are made possible. It will be the difference between success and failure. Over the years, we have established industry-leading capabilities through experts in conjunction with state-of-the-art material science labs and testing capability. This, in combination with our computation platform and advanced manufacturing technologies, will allow us to deliver smart and optimal solutions for our customers. Now, collaboration is in our DNA. Partnering with our customers, suppliers, national institutions, and universities, we are pushing for material solutions on multiple fronts. As an example, we are developing highly engineered alloys and non-metallics to address the strength and corrosion needs of our high-pressure, high-temperature fields. Similarly, delivering high fracture toughness materials with enhanced fatigue performance remains the key for the sub-zero environment in the North Sea. With the advent of high-performance composites, with their excellent strength-to-weight ratio and the expansion of nanotechnology into the completion industry, the realm of possibilities and opportunities is limitless. Now, while these complex reservoirs drive the need for innovation, material science still plays a key part in providing cost-effective solutions in the traditional field. From the use of dissolvable frac plug in the unconventional market to the swellable materials in the conventional market, material science continues to shape Halliburton Completion Tools' current and future offerings for our customers. Now, where the rubber meets the road is the confluence of these advanced material technologies with the advanced manufacturing technologies in order to provide tailored solutions for our customers. The progress in the additive manufacturing and the introduction of intelligent machining facilitates fabrication of complex near net-shaped part, which is optimized for performance through life. In Halliburton Completion Tool, we have a well-established multi-generation material science roadmap to tackle all the current and future needs of our customers. With this foundation, we are well positioned to address the future of completion starting today.